Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel today again. It's gonna be a good day. Okay, so this is a channel to learn everything about design. Yes, we're gonna be consistent this day lately on our design training, on what you should know as a designer, on the simple trick and hacks, on how to take you on the journey of AI to even be swift and fast on this space. Just subscribe to this channel, click on the notification button. We are cooking on big things for you. Okay, so this morning we are doing something very special. This is what you're gonna do in the next, let me say, few minutes, and you're gonna get paid big money. So this morning we are learning how to, mock up for our client, how to do mock up for our client, for their brand, for their books cover. If you have been thinking on how to design a book cover for your client, for the books you write yourself, this is the way. Probably you have a t-shirt, you want to, design a t-shirt for your brand or for a client. This video is the right video to watch. So from steps, I'm going to take you on how to design that. So firstly, if you have the design already, let me say you have the design already, your clients already probably send you design or what they want to do, probably their logo or a brand flyer or what they want to appear in their mockups, then don't worry, you just go to Mockups directly. But perhaps you just want to start from the scratch, so you can watch my previous video on how to design on Canva. This is my Canva homepage, so let's get started. So perhaps you just want to design it, like what you want to put on your mockup, you just want to start from the scratch, from designing it. You go to create new design. If you are using mobile, you will always see it there after all. Just click on that plus icon, you're going to see create new design. Then the sizes, you see, this is for this first place, this first section of the video is when you don't have a ready design yet. Most of the time we have a ready design for our mockups. So as a designer, you might be the one getting the job from the scratch. So this is how we do. So the size for this particular what I want to do is I want it to be 32 by 32, a square shape, and I want the unit to be pixel. Okay, so I click on create new design. It's very fast. The design aspect is very fast. You don't have to, if you already have what you want to mock up, this particular section can be skipped. So you go to upload. By using mobile, also go to upload. Now if you don't have it uploaded yet, you go to upload files, then you bring the files in. But I have it uploaded. This is what I want to mock up, so I click on this. Then I actually make it fit to the page, so you can do that anyhow as you please it. So this is what I want to mock up on probably anything, a laptop. This is the logo of my particular brand, of my own brand. So this is how, particularly if you are working for a brand, this is what we use. You use their logo most of the time for their t-shirt, for their cups, for their caps, for anything you want to mock up on. So after that, just so simple like that, you bring it in. But perhaps you just want to design it from the scratch, you can check my previous video on how to design anything you want to design, and you're good to go. So after that, you download this. Then this is where I download. You go to files, you click on files, you drop it down, then you click on download, and that is that on that. If you don't understand this section, you can always go to my previous video to check how to design, and that's going to guide you. Then we move very fast to the next thing, which is the mockup section. Now follow me. Then I go back to my home page. Just locate yourself back in the home page of Canva. Okay, so I click on this place and I go to home. I want myself in home. I've already downloaded my image, so I don't want to bore our head. There is a particular shortcut I will have taken, but I want this video to be so easy for everyone, even the beginners. Okay, so when you're on your home page like this, then you go to apps. You see, so it's also on mobile. You go to apps, then you click on apps. So when you click on apps, so on Canva we have thousands of apps on Canva. So yes, but just subscribe to this channel. We are cooking on something very beautiful that's going to take you throughout all this app. Just ignore this site. Don't worry, we're going to explore it very soon in our upcoming videos. Then just scroll up. If you're using a desktop, you scroll up, you see Mockup. If you're using a mobile, you also see Mockup once you click on apps. So this, we have over 8,000 mockups on Canva. Isn't that beautiful? Now depending on what you want to mock up, actually, probably you want to mock up for tablets, you want to mock up for for laptops. Depending on the brand, don't just pick out anything. Depending on the brand of your client. So this is, you can mock up frame, you can mock up clothes, you can mock up cups, you can mock up anything. So this is for home and living. Like, Canva actually puts it in categories, do you understand? So this is for prints, this is for packaging, this is for apparel, this is for home and living. Good. But today we are going to apparel. Apparel means clothing, right? So it means clothing, it means, now I'm just working for a clothes brand right now. So if you're working for probably a packaging brand, you can click on packaging. Okay, yes, something like this. Probably you're working for someone in cosmetic, in beverages. So know what you are clicking on. So I'm clicking on apparel. Then I want to work on shirt. Good. Most of the time we pick faceless mock-up, right? Because you just want people to see how the clothes look like, not how to style it. And most of the time, if you see programs that they want to sell out clothes, it is always going to be faceless. Yes. Why is it faceless? Because you want both the female and the male to just see what they want to buy with their money. You don't want to go for all this most of the time. This is probably when you want to work for model and you want the clothes, you want people to see how the clothes will look like on them. But now we just want to put out the clothes out there for people to see the brand. So I'm just going to pick any faceless, any faceless clothes just to mock it up. Yeah. So let's go for one. Let me pick this. Yeah, so when you pick it, you let it come up, it's gonna load. Then you click on select. Good. So once you click on select, now I already have it again on what I've previously worked on. Okay. Now these are some things that I've mocked up as now these are the pictures that are in my upload section. Okay. So once you have it uploaded already, you will see it here. But once it's not there, you go to upload files. You will always see upload files. Then you click on upload files. Then you go to where you have something. Then you click on it and you upload. Are we still together? So if you don't understand any section of the video, please do well to just turn it back. And I actually do that because of people that might not understand how. I already have it uploaded already. Then I click on it. Once I click on it, I click on next. Do we see next? Then I click on next. Then yes, that is it. So it's already mocked. This is what we call mocked up. It's already mocked up on the clothes. Are we together? Then if you want to adjust the image, you click on adjust image. Then you might probably want to move it up, and want to move it down, or want to make it center. Then you click on save. You click on save. Once you click on save, it's gonna save, and you can click on, then after that you click on save mockup. Okay, so when you click on save mockup, it's gonna save, then you download it, and that is all. So you can do this for your cups, for laptops, for tablets, for anything you're working on for your client. Always note that this depends on the particular thing you're working on. So don't mind, this one is particularly coming up, is loading. Then once it's loaded, I'm going to download it, and that is all. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can play around with anything, so don't mind this particular design. This is just, I just want to use this to show you how to do mockup. So you can always play around it. You can play around anything. You can play around, a notebook, a card, as long as it is what pleasing you. So thank you for watching, and God bless you.